1, 2, hiccup. Oh, well, hell, I was born in the hills where the echoes roam, with a Yodelay so sweet it could shake your bones. Mama said, boy, you're bound for fame. Till one late night, them hiccups came. Yodelay, whoa, wins me every time I try. It was off key. Every single person in the crowd, they cracked up every time I sang Yodelay Hiccup. I practiced hard with the mountain goats, learned every twist in those yodel notes. But right when I hit those notes so high, a hick would shoot out and kiss it goodbye. Yodelay, woe is me every time I try. It was off key. Every single person in the crowd, they cracked up every time I sang Yodelay. Yodelay. Lost a record deal in a single day. They said that you play well and you got hard. There's no room for hiccups on the charts. You know, I never quite made it as a music star, but I'm really proud I've come this far. If I'm keeping on